He's depleted by that right quad. He's showing plenty of guts right now.
Hi, this is tennis coach Dean. Let me lecture on something of BIOMEC. Third thing is opposite force. Opposite force means that opposite force. We can utilize opposite force to balance and generate more power. Normally, we can generate more power by opposite force, like this, down and up, down and up. So, as I mentioned it before, it can generate more spin and power. We call it heavy top spin. Second thing is that to balance, how to do. On the body, which one can generate more power? Or this, second one. And then, how about one hand? Or second one. How about slice? Second one. And then on serve, we can utilize it, or we call it somersault, like this. Instead of this. As a high performance tennis player, they all the time do like this. And then on overhead smash, you can balance by opposite force, like this. So jump smash, like this. I believe this theory can help to tennis coach more. Please utilize and give your feedback. Thanks.
Can he sustain that, Darren, for another set?
Yeah, I think so. Just a final word on Grigor also, Chris. He was absolutely gutted.
He's depleted by that right quad. He's showing plenty of guts right now.